In the previous step, we did the create ticket feature. In this part, we will show all tickets created by authenticated user. First, open your tickets component. And in onMounted function, call a method named getData. Then in data object, create an array of tickets. And a variable to display a loader. Then create a method to get data. Display the loader. Call an AJAX request. Set URL of request. Form data will be null. And pass the headers. Hide the loader once the response is received. If the status is success, then set the tickets array. Otherwise, display an error alert. And log the tickets in console. Then create this API route in tickets.js. By default we will get the tickets of authenticated user only. But if the authenticated person is a representative, then we will display him all the tickets of all the users. Search in tickets collection. And sort them by updated it, so the updated tickets will display at top. And send the response back to client. We are missing a comma. So the tickets has been fetched. Now we need to display them. Below this row, we will create another row. Display a loader only when the data is being fetched from database. Then create a table. Create table heading. And in table body, we will loop through all the tickets. And for each ticket, we will display its title. User name who created the ticket. The status of ticket. And the time it was created. We will also create a button to view the detail of ticket. And we will also display the updated at field too. Now we need to create this function to display the date and time in proper format. So create a global function. Go to main.js. And call mixin function. Here we will define all our global functions. Create an array of months. Create a JavaScript date object from timestamp. Get the date. Add leading 0 if the date is less than 10. Get month name. In year. Get hours. Add leading 0. Get minutes. And seconds. And return the date string in proper format. So all tickets has been displayed. And the representative will also be able to view all the tickets. Now when user create a new ticket, it should automatically be displayed at the top of table. So go to your create ticket function. And after the response status is success, prepend the new ticket in tickets array. You can see the another issued ticket automatically prepended at the top of table. One more thing we can do, is to add pagination. So in your data object, create a page number variable, it defines the current page number, and its value will come from URL. If there is no value in the URL, then the default value will be 1. And pages, it will define the number of pagination links. Then in getData method, we will set the current page number to 1 if it is empty. Then create a form data object. And append this page number in it. And attach this form data object with the request. Now go to this API route. And first set the number of tickets you want to display in one page. Then we will fetch the total number of tickets user have created. Then we will the current page number. And calculate the number of pagination links that needs to be displayed. If the current page number is greater than 0, then we will also get the number of tickets to skip. We will call the skip function to skip that number of tickets. And set the number of limits to fetch. And this should go before the sort function. Sorry. And finally, we will return the number of pagination links so the client can display it. And we will also return the current page number. And in getData response, we will set these values. So only one record is fetched although we have 2 tickets. To view the second ticket, we need to create pagination links. Below the table, create a nav only if there are at least 2 pagination links. Then in list item, create a for loop. Highlight the current pagination link. And display a pagination link. After that, we need to create this paginate method that will be called when any of the pagination link is clicked. In this method, we will simply update the current page number and fetch the data. We also need to create this route to display the current page number in the URL. So all tickets has been displayed. In the next part, we will display the detail of ticket.